Welcome to Getting Down to Business, our monthly episode where we cut out all the chit chat and preamble and get right down to business.
And that's exactly what we're about to do, so stay tuned.
On this month's edition, we have special guest Tracy Kazmerzak of Key Palm Insurance. Welcome to the show, Tracy. How are you today?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for having me.
You're welcome. Thank you for being on here with us. We're so happy to have you on the show. We know you pretty well through our ABC networking group. Mm-hmm. First, let's start with your business. So tell us a little bit about Key Palm Insurance.
Key Palm Insurance is a personal lines of what they call P&C, property and casualty insurance company. We can do commercial. We just don't. We leave that to the experts. We focus on home and flood and personal lines. So auto, boats, jet skis, these things are what we insure. And when we focus on something, as you know, when you specialize in something, you do it well, and we do it well over and over again. Key Palm Insurance has been around since 2008. Brent Gardner started it at a time where the economy was not so great, but he saw a need, and he has done really well. We're now 10 agents in the office, and we're all independent. So while I do work at Key Palm, it is Tracy Kazmerzak Key Palm. But there are 10 agents, plenty of people to help you out there, and we're all pretty friendly. So that's us.
So how did you get into the entire insurance game?
I actually did it by accident. I worked in banks, and I was doing loans. I was a loan processor when we moved from California to Florida, and working here in Florida with the credit unions. And then I worked in the banking industry. And again, my goal was to just do loans like I did in California. It's not the same. It's not the same here as there. And so I told my friend my frustration, because I used to be able to help people. That was my goal. I found out that you got this rule book that not everybody can read through. And so when you have that rule book, it's easy to help your fellow neighbor, your friends, your business associates navigate these waters and get them the best deal that they can. I'm an ultimate consumer. So she goes, you know what? You sound like the perfect candidate for insurance. And I'm like, for real? Who sells insurance? Like, nobody but nerdy people sell insurance. So then I go and I take the test, and I passed, and lo and behold, I'm selling insurance. But I still look at it as somebody gave me the rule books, and I can navigate through it. People tell me what their needs are, tell me where their concerns are, and I can actually help you not get sold on insurance. I help you purchase the insurance, right? Everybody needs it. So I just help you navigate those waters and get you the best deal that you can.
So your specialty is homeowners insurance. Out of all the ones that you listed, you specialize in the homeowners insurance. Am I right?
Right. Mm-hmm. So we work directly with the realtors and mortgage professionals to get clients through their closings on their homes. But I can help somebody who has existing policies as well.
Okay. And you're very right about the rule books, that there's a certain people that have the rules, especially when it comes to insurance, because I used to work in insurance for about a year. I had no idea anything about insurance before I started working in insurance. And it is a really complicated thing if you don't have somebody there to guide you through the right choices in your insurance policies, because there's so many different factors that normal citizens really don't know about. So it's awesome that you're there to guide them and help them with the right decision so that they don't get in trouble when they actually need the insurance.
Right. Mm-hmm. Right. Because the insurance policy can be $20 a month, but if it's not covering what you need, it's wasted $20 a month. So my goal is really to get you a premium that also gives you the coverage you need when you need it the most. And I know that sounds cliche, but insurance policies are only worth their weight in gold when they cover what you need. That's really it.
Mm-hmm. That's so true. I don't know anything about homeowners insurance, despite having owned a home at one point in time before. So, do you have any tips for the average homeowner, or anyone that's just buying a house for homeowners insurance and the type they should get?
The HO3 is very popular in Florida because it's broad, right? It covers a multitude of sins for the house. It even gives you coverage for grave markers. A lot of people don't know that. So if somebody passes away, there's money there. I mean, it's a very broad coverage. There's lots of coverage on there. If you want specialized coverage, most likely there's something wrong with your house. But I would say for a first-time home buyer, or a first-time really looking at your insurance, what you need is a great team. It really does take a great realtor. It takes a great mortgage professional. We're going to look at the guts of the house. You need an inspector that's going to be honest with you, because what I'm insuring is your dwelling. I'm insuring the pipes. I'm insuring the roof. I'm insuring the windows, at the floors, the walls. So those professional teams that I work with really make the difference in me writing you an excellent policy.
Hey guys, meet us on Main Street here. Stacy and I are all about staying young and beautiful, so we wanted to share with you a salon that we recently discovered to take care of all of our beauty needs.
That's right, Tia. Beauty on Broadway offers everything from the most complex hair treatments like keratin and balayage to advanced permanent makeup for lips, brows, eyeliner, and even scalp micropigmentation. The owner, Mary Katz, is a nationally certified and recognized trainer for permanent makeup who holds over 25 certifications from the most prominent artists around the world. So she really knows her stuff.
And everyone who works there are true professionals who make sure their clients get exactly what they want.
You know what else is awesome about them? They do free paramedical tattooing for all breast cancer survivors.
That is awesome. And they were just ranked among the best in the nation for their COVID-19 procedures. So you have a clean and safe space to go get away from the world and just let loose.
You guys seriously need to go check them out. Visit their website for more information and to make your appointment today at beautyonbroadway.salon.
So I have a lot of fun in the ABC meetings, which is our leads group, which is businesses giving leads to other businesses.
You're reading my mind because I was just going to ask you to tell us a little bit about the ABC networking group. So take it away, Tracy.
Right? Thank you, Stacy. See why we love her? I encourage you to have your business log in, and Zoom is not exciting, but I make it exciting. And
Tracy is the leader of the group.
I lead the group this year. I'm totally honored that they gave me this opportunity to lead the group. I want to come up with some more ideas. Again, just to keep everybody interacting. It's not just about the leads that you pass between each other, but it's really about knowing each other in the community and exactly what you can do. So when you join and we chitty chat, like we're doing today, over the meeting, we really get a really deep idea of what the business can offer and how we can bring people to the business. Again, if a community together, we will survive anything. If you're out there doing it by yourself, you know how hard it is. The ABC group is a group of people who will help you lift that weight, will help you carry it. And they're loving, kind people. I can't wait for us to meet in person again, have meetings in person. Right now they're just on Zoom. But again, we try to keep it exciting.
Yep.
Exactly.
So they should definitely, if you're a member of the chamber and you haven't popped in, pop in. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Yep. And, added bonus, as mentioned, Tracy is the leader of the group. I am in the group and T is in the group.
All right, Tracy, fun question time. Where would you time travel to if you had the chance?
Well, I do happen to have the time travel machine in the other room. We're just waiting on parts.
Waiting on parts. Okay.
Overseas, right? Just
right.
Like all of our
I hope you have it insured.
Absolutely. Interstellar part delivery is behind. It's lagging.
But
if I could go to any time, I would say probably medieval time. I do feel like that was me. I want to live in a castle, and I want to, walk 500 yards to get to the bathroom, apparently.
Well, you do have the outfit too from your Halloween costume.
The Halloween party.
So you're already halfway there.
Yeah.
Exactly. And I have to say, on a note, I don't know, maybe it's not appropriate, but it's easier to go to the bathroom in the big dresses.
We'll edit this part out most likely, but I do just want to mention I read a book that was called forget what it's called. I'll look at it and I'll send you the title, but it was really interesting because I learned that they didn't have underwear as we know it until like I think it was 1900. It was like right around 1900, but before then ladies didn't wear underwear, or if they did, it had basically had like a hole in the middle so
I just
that
read
you
that
could
the
just
other
squat
day
and pee.
too. It wasn't in a book though. It was on a Facebook feed or something. But I did just read that, and I was like, "That's disgusting."
Right?
It probably didn't.
I mean, it seems so much easier though.
There's so many layers. You have no idea. There's so many layers to that dress, the underskirt, everything to it that you would think it was really, really difficult to go to the restroom, but it was not. It was not. And I did have undergarments, traditional, modern undergarments.
I was just how traditional,
I mean,
like
if you say so.
I meant more modern, more today.
Well, the Middle Ages, I always thought it would be cool as well until I realized that it was also very cold back then.
Yes, everything was damp. That's why they had levels to the castles, because the lower you got, that's where the food storage was. And they didn't have cement floors. They were dirt. They were all dirt. So yeah.
Well, it sounds like you're pretty knowledgeable on it. So, you would fit right in.
I traveled in there a couple of weeks ago until my time traveling machine.
You let us know. Let us know how the medieval times are once that machine's up and running. Okay.
Yeah. I couldn't fit the dragon in, so I wanted to expand it out so I could get that, like mother-in-law's trunk and bring back a dragon.
I mean, why else are you going if you can't bring back a dragon into, our century? So
exactly. So yeah, that I just think it was if you think about it, imagine if you had a castle, everyone had to live in it. So you really kind of had this built-in family structure too, because now you have a bunch of people living in there doing the household chores. You didn't have to do the dishes all by yourself.
Yeah, but with all that space, think about the insurance premiums on a place like that, on a castle.
That's where the dragon comes in.
Oh, it's the scare away insurance. Insurance adjuster. Get away from me, I'm not paying.
Now it all makes
Nobody's
sense.
wrecking my house, man. Nobody's wrecking my house.
So Tracy, are you guys running any specials or have any future plans that you'd like to talk about at Keep Home Insurance?
We're going to get more involved in Dunedin. We're going to hold probably a happy hour or after hours soon. We can't do specials. So in insurance, we can't entice that way because it's a financial product. We can't actually offer a coupon or a, thing. I can just offer you the awesomeness that's me. Right. And
that's the added bonus.
Right. Honesty and integrity are great in this industry, and we have it in every agent and the owner of the business. I'm super proud to work with him. He tells me all the time I don't work for him, I work with him. He's a great man. He set us up for success. So I just offer that peace of mind. You really do get peace of mind. There's some things that are out of our control, but when it comes to being serviced on your insurance and needing a question answered, you got a friend.
Since we are in January, I have to ask, what is one of your New Year's resolutions?
Oh, we do those still?
After 2020, who knows?
Yeah.
Really, I'm playing it by ear, but I did just recently remarry, so I would say, just that's that whole Kazmerzak. I even looked to him and go, do you want to give him our last name? If he would have took mine, it would have been so much easier.
I know. Hampton was a dream to say.
Right? I couldn't wait my whole life. I've always wanted that name. So just really trying to to be the best wife, to have a great, as great a personal life as I do professional. And yeah, I think that's my New Year's resolution. Yeah.
Sounds like a great one.
Yeah, it's a good one.
I like it.
Mine was just going to be stock up on toilet paper for, the next round of the pandemic, but
Well, now it's the zombie apocalypse comes this year around. So.
I better stock up on salamis.
Yes,
What?
the salamis is what fights off zombies,
It's
as we all
just an
know.
inside joke.
Is that what fights them off? Salami?
Yes,
They
apparently.
can't stand salami.
That's the secret weapon that kills
It
them.
is.
I mean, not many people know about it, but
No,
I think you
they
should
just
get the
run
word
away.
out.
I know. On this show, we are a worldwide sensation. We are all the way in New Zealand. People listen, so
Dude,
I
right?
know.
Mhm.
And they'll
So
probably
when the-
get hit first, so they need to stock up on salami.
Exactly. They need to start, but then there's going to be a
There's gonna be
shortage, so
salami
we should
shortage
wait.
in
Yeah, I know.
2021. Calling
We're
it
gonna have to
now.
stock up. Yeah, exactly. That's the New Year's shortage. Salami.
Stock up today. You heard it here first.
Meet us on Main Street, exclusive.
So Tracy, how can someone find Keep Home Insurance and contact you?
Well, we are on the web as everybody. It's www.keephominsurance.com. Click on get a quote now. It comes straight to our office. Just let them know Tracy sent you, and I will be able to take care of that for you. Or you can call our office at 727-796-1312. My personal extension is 04, and why not talk to the awesomeness that's me. So just hit that 04. And I'm on Facebook at Tracy. It's Tracy Hampton, my other name, my other persona. I'll get that updated. But Tracy Hampton insuranceagent.com, I believe, on Facebook. But I think if you type in Keep Home Tracy Hampton, I pop up as well. We're everywhere. You guys are awesome.
Thank you.
Well, Tracy,
So
thank
we were
you
about
so
to
much
say the
for
same.
being on the show today. We really enjoy seeing you on the computer now that we never get to see you in person. But
As soon as you guys get that golf cart up and running again, and I know a mechanic, I know, but the parts might take a while. But
you're hopping on the back and coming with us.
yeah,
we're gonna
Bring
drive
me
around
out.
town.
Mm-hmm.
I love
cause
it.
trouble.
Yeah.
Sounds great.
All right. Well, thank
All
you
right.
so much,
Thank
Tracy.
you.
We've really enjoyed having you on the show today.
Oh, thank both of you. Keep doing what you do, man. We love seeing you.
Oh, thank you.
Aw, we will. Thank you.
Bye,
All
guys.
right. Bye.
Hey guys, meet us on Main Street here. We wanted to take a moment to tell you guys about Eat Pinellas.
Eat Pinellas is a local members-only dining app for Pinellas County. For only $34.99 a year, members save up to 20% every time they eat at one of their favorite restaurants in the network. And they'll have access to daily deals at over 150 restaurants all over Pinellas County. In addition to members receiving discounts, they also help people in need right here in Pinellas County. For every new or renewed membership, they'll donate to help feed someone for an entire day.
With your help and the help of their participating restaurants, we can make Pinellas County a better place by giving the gift of food.
To sign up for your membership today, go to https://eatpinellas.com/ref/14. Thank you so much, Tracy, for being on the show today. We really enjoyed having you. It's always great to see you, whether on Zoom or in person.
Exactly. All right, guys. Well, we have more ways for you to get down to business this month. We've got some networking opportunities in the area that y'all can check out. And as far as it's looking, they are all free. So yay, free is for us. Florida Business Incubators, they do a weekly Thursday Spark Tank on Zoom, which is from 9 a.m. to 10:30. You get to collaborate with a bunch of different business owners. Sometimes there are speakers. And you get to collaborate ideas and bounce things off of each other. So definitely check that out. That's every Thursday from 9 a.m. to 10:30 on Zoom with the Florida Business Incubators. Next up, we've got the Tampa Bay Business Network. Every first Wednesday of the month at 1 p.m., they are having a virtual networking group. So go ahead on Facebook, find the Tampa Bay Business Network, and you can follow along and get that Zoom link. And last but not least, we have an in-person one. It's called Explore Tampa Bay Business Owners Happy Hour. This one will be at Mellow Mushroom. It is on Tuesday, January 5th, and it is at 6 p.m. So you've got a lot of options out there, guys. So go get your network on and start 2021 right.
Thanks so much for listening, guys. We'll see you next month. And by see ya, I mean talk at you.